कोल्यूजन से कितना असर पड़ेगा, तो बिग बैंग तक ना जाते हुए छोटी एनर्जी कैसे जनरेट की जा सकती है, लो टेम्परेचर फ्यूजन एंड फिजन कैसे किया जा सकता है, इस तक सीमित रहे तो बेहतर। वहाँ क्वांटम फिजिक्स में हाइजेनबर्ग की थ्योरी, क्वांटम के बाद जो नई चीज आएंगी उसमें, तब एनर्जी वेव एक पैटर्न फॉलो करती है या अनपैटर्न्ड है, या बंडल्स के रूप में ट्रेवल करती है, या ये अपने आप वेरी करती रहती है, इस पर रिसर्चेस चले। और छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स जो बिग बैंग से निकालने की कोशिश हो रही है, जिसकी खोज हो एनर्जी, वो माइन्यूटेस्ट से माइन्यूटेस्ट के बारे में जाने की खोज करेगी। और तब ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो कुछ ना पाए, द कंप्लीट वॉइड। उस समय जो वॉइड होता है कि आप पूरा चक्र घूम गए और आपको कुछ नहीं मिला, एट दैट टाइम इन्वेंशन ऑफ जीरो टेक प्लेस। द माइन्यूटेस्ट, the science which is busy in finding the minutest of minutest, that is 0.0000029 times, then electron comes, so maybe 35 times positron will come, and so on, and then we find nothing is there after that, but still it is running. So a circle, and at another end science will also busy in finding larger and larger and largest in the sky, galaxy, Milky Way. Then one end minutest and another end the greatest, and there they will find it is all circle. So the two end the science will lead further research to. One will describe as zero, another will be 2 0 like infinity signal at two places that will go. Third thing, those who are involved in social sciences, they will also come out with certain techniques which can be repeated and can be proven. That will be so, more so in political science, in social science, economics, the science and modern art also. So science will also enhance its field in the domain of political science, modern art, economics, and few other which are being called art, but not at a history and other level. In history, they will try to find out some proof by way of energy waves in the environment, maybe by some method of aging and some chemical structure. Something they will come up in the history as well. So in that field, some researches will be carried out, but it will be more so in political and modern art field and economics. This is what has been one can foresee in the future of science as well as technology. Lastly, cutting short my reply to this question, people when have full of information maybe try to get rid of this excess baggage of knowledge and information and want to live happily with the woods and jungles, field and farming. That is another possibility. And in that sector also, science will play vital role. So in each and every household, the dimension of science will enhance. We have to see that it has been that science which is also knowing what is right, what is wrong. So realization or conscience or consciousness has to be kept so that we survive, our children survive. That is the gist of this. And ultimately, they may lead to the super science which is astronomy, astrology, and super science, Vigyan, Bhairav, Tantra. which is being narrated by Shiva. It's have around 112 methods. So ultimately, once again, science will try to touch that in common area, common understanding. That is all I can foresee in plain science, except medical. I have not talked.